Deanna, and today you're going to be learning how to properly fold some of the merchandise in the store. There are a few different locations in the store where you will find merchandise that's folded. One of the areas is the Champion name drop display. So here you'll see that the merchandise is folded pretty well. You can see the word university pretty evenly down the entire length of the display. And then we also have size stickers that we put on indicating small, medium, large, etc. so the customers can easily find their size. Now if we look over here at this side, you'll see that it has been shopped. So as you're walking through the store throughout the day or you're receiving merchandise returns, just go ahead and grab the items that need to be refolded, and then you can either take those items to the back of the store and refold them yourself, or you can take them up to the register and a cashier will be able to fold these items as they're at the register and maybe run out of things to do. The second area where you will find merchandise that needs to be folded is the t-shirt wall, or we will refer to them as the t-shirt cubbies. So here you'll see something very similar as to what you saw at the Champion name drop display, and that should be t-shirts that pretty much are pretty consistent in terms of what is showing here, facing out to the customer, and also your size stickers again as well. Generally small, medium at the top, and large and on the second shelf. So over here the same thing will happen. Someone will return merchandise and then a cashier may refold it, but when they refold it, it maybe isn't folded consistently with the other items, like what you'll see here in this bin, where we see ink out in most of these folds, but these top two folds are incorrect. So again, I'm walking the store, I'm going to pull these items and I'm going to take them up to be refolded. If you're unsure of what the fold should look like, grab one that is correctly folded and take it with you so you have a sample and something to compare your fold to. The final area of the store where you will see items folded will be on our tables. There are tables that run from front to back in the drive aisle, and then we also have some shelved areas at the back of the store where you will see sweatshirts folded as well. So in terms of sweatshirts that need to be folded, there are hoodies, there are crew necks, and there are quarter zips. And basically they're all folded the same way, except for the hoodie, we have a specific way that we fold that hoodie. Again, as you're walking throughout the store during the day, you may run across a table, check it out, see if there's anything that needs to be fixed. Again, our standard would be that we have the same situation facing out on every one of these folds. And you can see that here, probably a customer tried to refold this and put it up here, and we just want to fix that up. So again, I'm going to be grabbing this item and taking it up to the register, or taking it in the back and fixing it myself.
Okie dokie, this is the fold for the name drop display. So it is different from the other folds. So like the other ones, you're going to make sure you do everything nice and tight to the folding board. And this one, when you fold up, you see where the edge of that folding board is, you're going to go and meet it. And then you're going to pull your folding board out, and you're going to bring it up just enough so that the university is on the crease. With all of these ones, university always has to be on the crease, that way it all looks uniformed and pretty. Okie dokie, so I am going to fold on the t-shirt wall. I pulled examples here of what they're supposed to look like. And so the t-shirt wall is done in thirds. So when you fold it, you want to make sure it's nice and tight and looking all pretty. And you're going to fold this part in thirds. So 1, 2, 3, and then you just kind of fold it, and you can edit it like a little bit so it looks like the other ones. And there you go. So this is the hoodie fold. So the hoodie fold is different than the other sweatshirt fold. So what you're going to do is you're going to make sure it's all nice and tight. And your goal is to make everything look like the same out there. That way nothing stands out. So make sure your fold is completely tight. You're going to want to fold in like the little army holes nice and tight too. And then take out your folding board, fold it up in half. That way it meets with the sleevers, and then fold that in half. And you want to make sure you have this half the same as this half. So like both of these should look the same on the bottom. Now what you're going to do is you're going to grab the corner of the sweatshirt and the corner of the hoodie, and then you're just going to be like bloop. You're going to do the same bloop, And then floof the hood to make it look nice. And then turn it around and prettify it. And then make sure you tie the little stringettes in a nice little bow. And there you go. But then the bigger size is like a 2XL. You kind of have to fold and make sure it still looks as pretty as the other ones. So because it's bigger, you just kind of have to pay more attention. So fold it nice and tight again. Kind of like it's like a little burrito. In half. And then sometimes you kind of have to pull more up on the 2XL just so it gets the same look. And then grab a corner of the hoodie, the corner of this, and just floop. And then floop. Make sure the hood's all nice and pretty. Tie the little stringettes. And then there you go. And then always make sure, order them. So this is the crew neck fold, so it is different than the hoodie fold. So you're just gonna, like the other ones, you're just gonna make sure you fold all nice and tight, make sure the sleeves go all nice and pretty. And then the difference is you floof it up at the bottom, so it's like a cute like little baby fold. Then you bring it up, pull out the folding board, and then like our other one here, we want the university in the middle, because you want everything to be uniformed. Then you flip it over, and oh no, there's no side sticker. So if there's no side sticker on it, you gotta make sure you put a side sticker on it. So this one's a small, so I'm gonna put it on there. Make sure it's like about an inch off